Here's a video on how to change the front differential fluid on a 5.7 liter Jeep Grand Cherokee. Specifically, I'll be working on a 2011. Everything that you're going to need here is a ratchet with an 8mm hex, or you can also use an Allen key, again 8mm, 2 quarts of the SAE 7585 axle lubricant. You'll need a rag just to keep things clean, a nice cardboard box to put underneath everything so you don't make a mess, and then a pump to get the fluid from the containers into your differential. And lastly, you'll need some kind of a catch can to catch the old fluid. And it's best to drive your Jeep for 15 minutes before starting, just so the differential fluid flows out faster and easily. But otherwise, let's get started. Alright, so to locate the front differential, you go underneath the front side of your vehicle, and then if we sneak past the oil pan here, curve around back here, we can see right here is the front differential. Alright, so the first step is to locate the front differential. And you'll see here on the lower side we have the drain plug, and here we have the fill plug. And the first step is to undo the fill plug first to ensure that that comes out. So we'll do that now. Okay. Okay, so we'll leave that out and now go to the drain plug. And you want to have your catch can pretty close by. We'll crack that bolt off first. All right. A little bit more. Okay. Get ready and let it drain. So let that drain. Alright, so now that that is stopped draining for the most part, I'm going to take the plug and apply some thread sealant and then put it back in. So I'll do that. Alright, so now that I have the drain plug snugged up, and again not too tight, this is just the plug, I'm going to attach the hose from my quart pump and the new differential fluid I have, and I'm going to put this line up into that hole there and start pumping fluid until fluid starts flowing out. That's how I'll know I have enough fluid in there. Alright, so you'll know you've reached enough when you see have a little stream coming up before. You can see a tiny bit of a drip, but that is how you know when you filled up the differential. I use about a quart, close to a quart and a half, but that is about how much you'll need for your front differential. So now we'll put some more thread sealant on the other, on the fill plug, and close it up, and we'll be done with this job. So just like that, get it back in place and just snug it up. Make sure not to cross thread, and then add the ratchet and we'll tighten it up. Just like that, just give it a couple tightens, and then not too much leverage, so I'm going to go up here and just tighten it a little bit more. And that is how you change the differential fluid on the front end side of your Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 5.7 liter. Might use some brake clean just to spray the starter off and get all the residual differential fluid left over, but that is the rest of the job. So there you go. Just as a reminder, every 60,000 miles is a pretty good interval in which to change that differential fluid. I'll put a link to all the things I used in the description box below. If you like content like this, like, subscribe, comment, and feel free to share with other people if it helps. Give it a thumbs up, and hope to see you on the next video.